So we've got a shoe rack. Instructions. Thank you for choosing the shoe rack with 3 screws. The shoe rack, I want to put it right here. I got my spot all ready for it. So I have my drill, Phillips head screw, my level, and I already have marked where my studs are. So I think I'm going to have it about this high off the floor. So to get an eye for where I want it, I have a couple shoes here. So I want to make sure I can sweep and mop underneath it. That was the whole point of buying this thing. So I'm going to put the first screw in the middle and then level it. Okay, real simple. Put the level on. It doesn't matter if it's perfectly level or not. I just like to have things level, so it's nice if you level it. Probably didn't sound right. Okay, let's screw. It's amazing how simple this is. This is it, right here. There. That's our first shoe rack installed and ready to be used. Really nice. Looks good. Holds shoes really well. Even hold boots. It'll hold up to, I think, 20 pounds. Also depending on what you have it screwed to. Okay. Now the next shoe rack also comes with paperwork and screws. This one, it's amazing how easy it is to install these. I want to make sure I have enough room between the upper one and the lower one. So I think that looks good right there. There's plenty of room. Once again, I'm going to line it up with my marks that I previously did for the studs. Put the center screw in. Put my level. Right there. Okay. That's it. Put your muddiest stuff on the bottom, your house slippers or whatever on the top. However you want to do it. Look at that. Boy, that's going to make things so much easier to clean.